Okay, this is gonna be an unboxing of my Golden Cube. I have my Skewb and 7x7 right here, so I can make some quick comparisons, like right after I open it. So this is what size it's gonna be about if this were cubic. And this is the mechanism. So I believe it's turned exactly like that for the cube position, and I'll see if I'm right, because as I've seen on videos, when they're solved, it's actually a click, and that click happens when this ball bearing goes into this gap. So yeah, that's how I think it's staying together like that. So what I've heard they're pretty big. Yeah, 8 centimeters doesn't look like much, but compared to a regular cube, which this is the same size of a 3x3, it looks a lot bigger. So yeah, I'm about to unbox it. Has some stamps on it with birds on them, I guess Chinese birds. Yeah. So I'll open it and give some first impressions. Okay. So there it is. Yeah, about the size I thought it would be. Overall, it looks really good. See, right now it has some kind of wrapping on it, and yeah, it's about the size I thought it was going to be. And here's that layer that's turned like that, so that's how it's that's how it is. Yeah, so let me get this plastic off, then I could turn it. See, in the box is yeah, just some confrontation, my shipment, nothing really to see. Not like an instruction guide, which I plan on solving this myself without any help. Wow. Oh yeah, that's smooth. Kind of slippery at first. I'm sure I'll get used to it. Yeah. It says Tony Fisher's Golden Cube and Meffert's Challenge. Yeah, it has a lot of weight to it. Like, let me see. Maybe equal to or more than a 7x7. But overall, this looks really good and what I expected. See, I'll do 180 degrees and see if it lines up. Actually, it's perfectly symmetrical, like this. Looks a bit like the top of a square one, if you know what I mean, like when it's turned. And there's the slice going this way. Yeah. And it feels very warm, I think, because I just got out of my mailbox. But yeah, looks really good. So, thanks for watching.